Well, welcome back, my friends, to Did You Know with Annette and Squirrely Mo here. All right, let's talk about something that we all love doing, cleaning our gutters. Yeah, I know it's not glamorous, but you know what else isn't glamorous? Water pouring over your roof like Niagara Falls every time it rains. Hey, 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 I am Annette Marble, your favorite Key Realty agent in and around Central Ohio. We got Mo here, and also your unofficial home maintenance cheerleader. Rah! All right, today we're diving into how to clean your gutters safely because falling off a ladder is not on anyone's to-do list today. Like I always tell my kids, I don't have time today to go to the emergency room. All right, so step one, gear up like a pro. First things first, safety gear. Safety, safety, safety. You're going to need a strong, sturdy ladder, some gloves, and some eye protection. And if your ladder looks like it's from your dad's garage in 1978, maybe don't risk it. Go borrow your neighbors or bribe them to help, with some beer or some pizza or something. Anyways, all right, 2, scoop out the gunk. Next, grab a gutter scoop or a small troll and start removing the debris, the leaves, sticks, and mystery goop. All that fun stuff that's clogging up those gutters. Pro tip, don't use your hands unless you want to discover what gutter slime really feels like. Okay, step 3, flush it out. Once you've cleaned the big stuff, use your garden hose to flush the gutters out. Start near the downspout and work your way across. If water isn't flowing freely, you're probably gonna clog. You got to clog in the actual downspout, which means it's time for a little gutter snake action or a pressure attachment. Ha 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 ha. Okay, step 4. Check for leaks and loose spots while you're up there. Check for those brackets if they're rusty or if any of them leak. Sometimes they look sketchy. Tighten it up or seal it with some gutter caulk. Remember, a little fix now saves a big headache later. But you won't have a soaking basement. All right, number 5, prevent future clogs. If you really want to win the gutter game, invest in gutter guards. They'll keep most of the debris out and your weekend's free for, literally anything else to do. We had Pioneer Roofing do ours and they are amazing. Give them a call today if you've got some issues. And so there you have it. Your gutters are clean, your home is protected, and you don't end up in the ER. I call that a win-win-win-win. So if you love quick homeowner tips like this, hit that follow button because I've got plenty more where this comes from, and so does Mo. He's getting a little squirrely. And not all of them involve questionable ladder decisions. Oh, and if you're thinking about selling your home soon, clean those gutters. That's going to be a small detail buyers actually notice. So get scooping. And as always, we're in and around Central Ohio and we're keeping it real here in real estate with Annette Marble, Mo, and Associates.